If you run a factory or warehouse and potential clients are visiting your website, reviewing capabilities, asking for details, but still delaying decisions, this video will explain why that happens and how manufacturers and logistics operators are solving this using 360-degree virtual tours. Because in industrial business, visibility drives trust. Factories and warehouses problem breakdown. Industrial decisions are risk-based. Clients are not just buying products or storage, they're choosing reliability, process control, and operational capability. But three problems slow conversions. First, clients cannot visualize operations. Photos don't explain scale, workflow, or compliance standards. Second, physical visits are time-consuming. Scheduling tours delays decisions, especially for outstation or international clients. Third, lack of transparency creates hesitation. When operations are unclear, clients choose safer, more visible suppliers. This leads to longer sales cycles and missed contracts. Why traditional industrial marketing fails. Most factories rely on brochures, certifications, and spec sheets. But industrial clients want proof, not promises. Photos show machines. Videos are controlled and edited. Clients don't get freedom to understand layout or process flow. And modern buyers don't want sales pitches, they want clarity. They want to see production lines, machinery zones, storage areas, and logistics flow. Traditional marketing doesn't deliver this confidence. What a 360-degree virtual tour really is. A 360-degree virtual tour is not a promotional video. It's an interactive walkthrough of your factory or warehouse. Clients can explore production floors, machinery zones, storage areas, and logistics flow at their own pace. They control the experience. They decide where to look. And when clients later visit physically, the facility feels familiar. This familiarity accelerates trust and shortens decision cycles. How 360-degree tours work for factories and warehouses. Here's how industrial businesses use 360-degree virtual tours. First, on company websites. Clients understand capabilities before requesting quotes. Second, for B2B sales and tenders. Sales teams share virtual tours during discussions or proposals. Third, for international clients. Remote stakeholders evaluate facilities without travel delays. Fourth, for compliance and audits. Virtual visibility supports process transparency and documentation. And finally, for employer branding. Potential hires understand the work environment before applying. A 360-degree tour doesn't replace audits. It prepares confidence before them. Real-world business impact. Over time, we've seen consistent industrial benefits. Sales cycles become shorter. Client trust improves earlier. Physical visits become purposeful, not exploratory. Stakeholders align faster. Decision-making becomes smoother. A virtual tour also positions the business as organized, modern, and process-driven. In competitive B2B markets, this advantage matters. Common objections answered. A common concern is confidentiality. 360-degree tours are planned carefully, excluding sensitive processes or data. Another concern is complexity. Modern tours are easy to navigate, even for non-technical users. Some worry about cost. Compared to long sales cycles or repeated site visits, a virtual tour delivers strong ROI. When done correctly, it becomes a long-term sales enablement tool. If you manage a factory or warehouse and want to see how a 360-degree virtual tour can help win client trust faster, visit 360Biznus.com. We design industrial tours with safety, confidentiality, and business goals in mind. A short conversation is usually enough to see if this fits your operations. Future vision. Industrial buying is becoming digital first. Clients expect visibility before commitment. Factories that offer transparency build credibility faster and close deals sooner. 360-degree virtual tours are becoming part of modern industrial communication. The real question is, will clients understand your operations before choosing another supplier?